Today we're going to do a hood wrap. Here's our basic install kit for hood wraps. It comes with a knife, a squeegee, microfiber towel, and prep spray. We're using the hood wrap today because of the oxidation that's on this 460 Lexus. We're going to use carbon fiber to hide the oxidation. We also offer an upgrade to a stainless steel knife on our website. That's what I'm using for today's video. Spray prep to clean your surface. First thing we want to do is to protect our fenders from being cut. So we'll mask our edges off with tape. When you receive your pre-cut piece, it'll come rolled with the Luxe holding tape. All right, first thing we're gonna do, we'll measure our piece that was sent to us. All right. Now we're going to peel the layer. So what we would do is fold it over. All right, get one side tacked down first, lightly tacked. Do not be afraid to readjust. All right, now you want to pull out as tight as possible and lay it down. Okay, as you see today, I have LJ with me, he's my help. But it's a DIY kit, and if you're doing it alone, you can splice your vinyl with a Teflon bodyguard tool, and it'll help you make a cut where you can peel the vinyl and be able to tack it to the vehicle all by yourself. We sell these on our website. When you have these wrinkles here, we're gonna use a method called fold and tuck. So you're gonna put your hands on the front, pick the vinyl up, push down lightly, take your wrinkles out. All right. And the main reason we're using carbon fiber today, once again, is to help cover up that oxidation that we once saw on the hood. And as you can see, you can't see it. So the texture really helps when you have certain problems with the hood, and it helps them to become beautiful once again. With squeegeeing out the air bubbles, make sure that you use a 45-degree angle. Sometimes when you come to air bubbles, it's okay to lay your palm over them as long as you're wearing a wrap glove to help press the air out. Once again, if you have air, or you make a mistake, don't be afraid to lift the vinyl. You always want to come underhanded and push the vinyl up. Okay, we're going to reset the vinyl, and using the cheetah wrap as really good air regress channels to be able to push the grooves out of the vinyl. Once you get your vinyl laid, you want to use your wrap glove. Make sure that everything's locked down. And then we'll post heat to help activate the glue. And while post heating, we'll rub it more. Make sure you take your heat gun to about 450, 500 degrees. When you're post heating your edges, you want to warm it up and see the vinyl shrink behind the edge. You can see the vinyl adheres by shrinking under your edge. Now you know you're ready to make your cut. You want to release your hood latch. First, we're trimming our excess off. Okay, once you have it up, you can trim the excess material off to make a clean fold. You don't have to have more than about a half of an inch. You want to take your heat gun, heat, watch it shrink under. All right, there you have it, and you tuck. Once we're done, we peel your tape. All right, there's your finished hood.